Hi everyone, and welcome to the Droidgy channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing a common issue, voicemail not working on Android phones. Voicemail comes in handy whenever you miss a call and the caller leaves you a message. They can record a message directly into your voicemail inbox, allowing you to retrieve and listen to it the next time you check or use your phone. While voicemail is an incredibly practical feature for many users, devices can sometimes encounter glitches, such as the voicemail function failing to work on an Android phone. Why does this happen? Keep watching, and we'll explain the underlying causes as well as the solutions. Please stay with us and watch this video through to the end. This video is applicable to a wide range of phone models, including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Here are some of the most common reasons why voicemail issues occur. Consider whether your device might be experiencing any of these situations. 1. Network connection problems. 2. Software glitches. 3. Carrier service outages. 4. Insufficient storage space. 5. An outdated operating system. If your device falls into one of these categories, the problem is usually quite easy to fix. You can try the methods outlined below to resolve the issue of voicemail not working on your Android phone. Now, please follow the detailed steps below. We are confident that once you complete these steps, the Android voicemail not working issue will be resolved. If the steps below do not work on your first attempt, feel free to try them a few more times. Sometimes, a second or third attempt is all it takes to fix the problem. Finally, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, giving us a thumbs up, or leaving a comment to let us know which specific method helped you resolve the issue. Method 1. Restart your device. Whenever you encounter any technical issue, the first troubleshooting step you should always try is restarting your device. Restarting can help clear out software glitches, temporary data, and cached memory. Issues such as voicemail suddenly stopping on an Android phone can often be resolved simply by performing a restart. Now, let's restart your Android phone together. To restart your device, press and hold the power button until the restart menu appears on your screen. From the restart menu, tap the restart icon. Your phone will then begin the reboot process. Please wait patiently for the restart to complete, and once it's finished, test your voicemail again to ensure it is working correctly. Method 2. Check your network connection. Voicemail issues can also arise when your device has a poor network connection or weak signal strength. In most cases, simply optimizing your network connection is enough to resolve this problem. Therefore, you need to ensure that you have a stable network connection and a strong signal. Once your network connection is stable again, your voicemail should function properly on your Android device. Method 3. Clear your device's memory. Saving voicemails requires a certain amount of storage space. If your Android device is running low on memory, this can also prevent your voicemail from working correctly. Clearing your Android device's cache to free up space can help restore normal voicemail functionality. To check and clear your storage space, first, open your phone's Settings app. Locate and tap on General Management. Once inside the General Management menu, tap on Storage. On the storage screen, check to see if your available space is at 15% or less. If it is, please free up storage space by deleting unnecessary files or uploading some files to cloud storage. Once you have finished clearing your storage space, test your voicemail again to see if it works properly. Method 4. Update your operating system. If voicemail on your Android phone still isn't working, you should check to see if there are any available software updates. An outdated operating system version can sometimes be the cause of visual voicemail malfunctions. Therefore, updating your operating system is highly recommended. To check for updates on your Android phone, tap on Settings, then find and tap on System to enter the System menu. Next, tap on Software Update or System Update. Here, you can see if there are any pending system updates. If there are, please install them immediately. After the update installation is complete, your phone may restart automatically. Once the process is finished, try using your voicemail again. If the issue was caused by outdated software, updating your system should resolve the voicemail problem on your Android phone. Method 5. Carrier service outage. If you are still experiencing issues with voicemail not working on your Android phone, please contact your mobile carrier to inquire about any potential service outages or account-related issues. You can also ask them to help you troubleshoot the problem. That wraps up today's video. If you found this video helpful and appreciate the work we do, please give us a like, share this video, and let us know in the comments section which method helped you resolve your issue. Additionally, if you have any suggestions on how we can improve, please feel free to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments section as well. Thank you, and good luck.